Welcome back. And in some cases, what you may want to do to assist you in the editing process is to export each track separately. And you can do that inside of Audacity. What you're going to do is to go to this file area. What you're then going to do is go to the export command. You are then going to see export multiple. We're going to click that area. You can then choose a specific folder. Once you've done that, you're going to determine the format that you want for the multiple clips. We're going to use MP3. And we're going to split the files based on tracks. And in this case, we can use the track name for each clip. And basically what we're going to do now is we're going to use the export command, and we're then going to be exporting all 3 clips. We're then going to click OK. We're going to click OK again for the second track, and then we're going to click OK again for the third track. Audacity will then create the 3 tracks, and then you're then going to see all 3 tracks exported separately into the directory that we determined. And so basically what we've done is we've exported all 3 clips so that we can analyze them separately. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.